So this question is all about these 5 graphs. The questions are on the next page. We've got a linear graph here, and we've got one that's a horizontal line. We've got one that's going up like this. We've got one that seems to be slowing down like that, and we've got a vertical line here. So let's read what the questions are. It says, for each of the following statements, decide which graph is being described. So the rate of change of y with respect to x is always negative. Now this thing here just means that the gradient is always negative. Rate of change of y with respect to x, you may recognise the change in y over the change in x, the rate of change of y with respect to x, and this is also gradient, dy dx. So we're looking for something with always a negative gradient. Well, this is a positive gradient, so that's that ruled out. This really, I suppose, has an infinite gradient. It's a vertical line. This one's got a 0 gradient. This one's got a positive gradient over here. This is the one with the negative gradient. It's going downhill. So it is graph C for that one. The rate of change of y with respect to x, so again that means gradient is always 0, so we're looking for something that is completely flat. It's this one. This has a gradient of 0. So really the trick on this question is just to understand what this means and then to have some clue of what gradient is. So that was graph D, wasn't it? As x increases, the rate of change, so the gradient, decreases. So that means it's going to get less steep. As time goes on. So we want something that starts off steep and gets less steep, so shallower. So this starts off shallower, if you like, and gets steeper. This one here starts off steep, and as x increases, it gets less steep, so the gradient decreases. So it is graph A for that one.